What up though YouTube, my name Fred Fields and today I got another custom video for y'all, but this time it's a little different. Y'all seen the shoes, y'all seen cleats. This time we got some custom flip-flops, but don't even trip, cause I can do some custom work on those as well. So we got some Nike flip-flops. Oh bam! Whoops. Oh bam! And I'm gonna make sure I show y'all how to do that. It's another time lapse as well. So if y'all got any questions or comments, please drop those down below. I make sure I answer any and all of those. If there's any video or requests that y'all want to see done, man, tap in, let me know. I'll make sure I post that video as well. So if you're trying to contact me, Instagram, iMakeCustomCleats, Snapchat, future_famous. But if y'all trying to place some orders, email me at FinallyFamousCustoms@yahoo.com. So without further ado, let's get into this video.